Welcome to Digital Cash Lab, making money from YouTube without ever showing your face. Recording your voice or filming a simple clip 30 days ago. I set myself a challenge to create a brand new faceless YouTube channel powered entirely by artificial intelligence. No camera, no editing experience, no expensive software. And after 30 days of testing, experimenting, and uploading, this is exactly how much I made. Let's break down exactly how I did it, step by step. It all started when I kept seeing faceless YouTube channels popping up everywhere. Channels with millions of views, and nobody even talking on camera. I want to test if an AI power channel could actually compete that space. The rules were simple. I had 30 days. I could only use AI tools, and I had to upload one video per day. I didn't expect to make much. Honestly, I just wanted to prove that it's possible to build something real. So I opened a new channel and called it Simple Story, a simple name for a simple goal. The first thing I needed, videos and hairs where AI come in for the script. I used DeepSeek. I simple typed, write a good 3-minute YouTube script. Within seconds, I had a clean, engaging script ready to go next. I used 11 labs to create the voice over it. Sound did natural, human, and professional way. Better than any robotic AI voice idea had before. For video clips, I used free stock footage site with thousands of high-definition clips. And then I put everything together, adding subtitles and background music from Epidemic Sound. The entire process. Talk about 45 minutes per video, from script to final export. That means I could people a new video every single day without burnout. I posted my first video on day 5. Funny story, the thumbnail create in Canva using free icons. The first day, 27 views. Second day, 312 views. By the 5th video, something clicked. The YouTube algorithm picked it up. Suddenly, traffic started flowing in from search and suggested videos people wear, commenting, subscribing, and asking for more. That's when I realized this might actually work. Birthday 30. I had uploaded 30 videos. Here were the exact results. Subscribers, 2.830 total views, 184,000. Watch time, 8.400 hours revenue, $1,247. But here's what surprised me most. 80% of the revenue come from just 3 videos. Why? Because people search for them constantly. And they had strong watch retention over 55%. So what did I learn from this 30-day YouTube experiment? First, titles and thumbnail are everything. You can have the best video in the world. But if your title doesn't hook people,